Okay, in the last class we discussed about order entry and then booking. Then one more here is pick release. Correct. So next step here is shipping. This is the next step. Go to application here. So I am performing again all the steps. Okay, like order entry first. Go to order returns and then other one is sales orders here. I am taking an existing customer and go to line items. Here is the order item here and then quantity and the price which we have yesterday given here is 4,500. And right now the status here is as of now it is not yet populated. The reason is we haven't saved here. If you click on save, then it will be populated here and you can verify the stock availability. Like right now on hand quantity is 563 and reservable is someone is used already for other sales order, that is 281 and we requested here is 4 but stock is availability is 563. Okay, then next step here is book order and you can see the status here is awaiting shipping. Now take this sales order. If you go and verify the shipping information, there is a delivery tab here ready to release here. Okay, so two steps we have completed. Second, order entry and then booking, these two steps completed. So next is pick release here. So go to pick release navigation. So that is like you can see shipping and then release sales orders and then release sales orders. This is the navigation for pick release here. Click on this and based on rule here is standard, then order number, whatever you copied, and you are picking the goods from warehouse M1. Go to shipping tab. It has to include all the packing instructions like from address to address. If you see any courier box, you can see all the packing instructions, right? What are its components, when it is started delivery. These are all the packing instructions here. Now all the three we have to make it yes. Click on execute now. You will get a warning, just ignore here. So pick release online has ended with a warning. Then click on OK and then save here. Yeah. Now if you go and verify, there are a couple of programs got submitted here. Yes. So yesterday also we have seen like what are the contents of pick slip report. If you click on view output, you'll be able to see here like what was the warehouse code and name and then what is the delivery number here, this last delivery ID and the sales order number and how much quantity requested, what was the item. These are all the information we can see into pick slip report. It is clear. So and then shipping exceptions, if you look at here, so there are no proper, if there are no proper setups here, you will get issues here saying that no action required, information only, just information only it is. And then the packing operation completed with the errors. You don't have chair, Purnima? Yeah. You take this. You take this. These are all the errors you can see. Just for awareness only, we have to open the shipping exception report it is. And packing also same, similar errors you can see. These are all the errors. See, the item does not have a preferred container, but it is not going to stop your flow. You just ignore it. Okay, if you have a time and patience, you can just go through it and you can read the contents of it. Okay, that's about the these three concurrent programs: pick slip report, shipping exceptions, and then other one is auto pack report. So till now we discussed till pick release here, these 3 points. Yesterday also we have completed till that point only. Now next is here shipping. So shipping, what you have to do, take this sales order number and then go to shipping, and other one is here transactions here. Click on transactions and then order number, find here. So here is a place, there is a tab here, delivery tab. Sometimes you will not be able to see the any lines in this delivery tab. If you don't have a stock, then only you'll not be able to see here. Then click on ship confirm and then click on OK here. You will get a message saying that delivery was successfully confirmed here. And then go back to your sales order and then check the status of your sales order here. Press F11 and then verify the status. Go to line items here and then you can see the status is picked here. So as of now, how many statuses you have seen here? First entered, then followed by booked is at header level, it is correct. So at line level it is awaiting shipping. Now it will become a closed also. If you requery again, let's see. So it is shipped here. So overall, like there are some cross questions you will face here. So one question here is like, what are the line level statuses in order management, we can say. Second one here is, so I'm just listing out all the questions first, then followed by the answers. Okay. So display open sales orders is one question. Then derive sales representative. Then link between customer and sales order. So till what point of time you can cancel sales order? What's the purpose of, see, there are certain programs submitted here. If you go and verify, certain programs got submitted. So this program is important here. Interface trip stop. What's the significance of this program? Okay. So all are important questions. That's why I'm listing down and I'll give you a solution for all this. I'll just check some more points. Anyway, if you get the questions, we'll keep adding here. So first here is we already seen the answers for this, correct? What are the line level statuses in order management? So as of now, we have seen already, correct? Shipped, right? So first status here is entered, then followed by awaiting shipping, then pick. Next is shipped here. And another cross question will be here is when sales order line status will become closed. Okay, as of now, ship, when it will become a closed here. So this is another cross question. So whenever we transfer this to the account receivable, at that time it will become closed here. So for example, to transfer it, we can go to workflow background process. So there are certain parameters here, fixed parameters, OEM order line. The rest of the parameters are yes, simply Y tab. Yes, yes. You will come to know what is meant by workflow background process at all in the workflow discussion. So right now, just pass the fixed parameters here. Okay, click on OK, then submit. Another request now. Find here. It will call certain programs, auto invoice master, followed by auto invoice import here. So I'm just making a note here after this, right? It is account receivable invoice we are going to create. To create a AR invoice, we have to run a program that is workflow background. It's an engine, it is workflow engine. It will initiate certain programs here. One is auto invoice master, and other one is auto invoice import. This is a program it is. This two. Okay. Let's see. Now go and verify the sales order status. F11. I have missed to that particular order number. To get that, you can go to Toad here. You can get the latest number. OE order. If you miss it, this is a solution where R guide is equivalent to 204 related records. But we require the recent record. There could be some dates here. Based on the dates, we can arrange in a sorting order. So these dates. We'll take a descending order here so that we can see the recent record. Apply. So here is the place. This is a recent record just before we created. Okay. Order number we wanted. It's not working. I'll just requery again. Okay. This is the number. Better note. Okay. You make a note for this sales order so that it will be easy for you. This is the number. Now query this order number and see the status. Control F11. Go to line items here. You can see the status as here closed. So now what is the answer for this? The question is here, when sales order line status will become closed? What will be the answer for this?
Yeah.
After creating AR invoice. So this is the answer. Okay. So are you clear with this too? Now next is here, display open sales orders. What is meant by open? Open here is like it may be stuck at pick release, or it may be stuck at booking or shipping, whatever it is. That is called as a open sales order. So these are all, see, straight away also we can get from Google, but still we should see in the system. See, book sales order query in Oracle apps. See, you can see straight away. Someone is raised this question in the forums. These are all the forums actually. There will be a flag here, booked flag. But query straight away you can see somewhere. To log into the support.oracle.com, like we have to use your project related identifiers. It is, let's say, I already come with me one. Satellite email. You will not get this. we logged into community.oracle.com through client ID. It is. We are just checking, is there any solution in this? Yeah, the flow status code is booked. This table are also there here, OE order history table. As of now, only OE order headers are lines, all right. But there is a history table is also there. You need to read all this with the patience, then only we can get the solution. In this, it is not there. Okay. Now go back again. Straight away, I can tell you that status code based on the flag. Query to get sales order. This is the one. Go to where condition straight away, because these are all we know already. See, this is the one here. Open flag is equivalent to why it is. Okay. And that too, that is at line level it is OOLA. OOLA stands for here is OE order line solve. This one. At header level also there is a flag, but they have taken here is at line level OOLA open flag it is. So forget about all the entire query. We don't require all this. Okay. Just go to, we'll see another website. Query to sales order. Query to get open sales order at line level is also same. We'll get everything in the Google here. So this is the open flag, same they have given, right? So that means if you go to application to identify the open sales orders, you can check in line level here. OE order line solve. Joint condition between these two is header ID, correct? Your header ID is this one, right? The recent record. So what we require is there is a flag here. What is the flag name? Open. Flag means checkbox only, yes or no kind of thing it is. See, it is EN. So based on this, even in this also there is a booked flag. Booked flag, whether it is a booked or not, also we can identify. And if it is cancelled or not, there is a flag. These are all the various flags are there. Yes or no, only we can see in this values. Only two values. Okay. And let's check, is there any open flag in this? Here also there is a flag here, that is open flag, even in header level also. Okay. To identify the open sales orders in this, another uncondition we can use, that is open flag, that is equivalent to why it is. So these many sales orders are pending, we can say. Open means pending. Okay. Overall 1500 sales order does not have invoices. So 1500 sales order stuck at shipping or pick release level or booking level, whatever it is. So that means we can say in our understanding it is a pending sales orders. Clear? So this is the answer. So that open flag is available in both the tables here. Okay. Now the answer here is what it is. How to display open sales orders based on open flag. This is a column. Clear? Now derive the sales representative. So if you go to your sales order screen, there is a field here. If you look at here, correct? Salesperson or sales representative. I'm just adding one salesperson. Then save. You are not allowed to update sales representative because line is already invoiced. So we already created the invoice. That is the reason why it is not allowing at this moment, because it is shipped created invoice also. I'm not able to do this. Definitely we have to go with the new sales order. I'll add over here. Save. Now this name we need to display. So this name sales representative stored into a table, that is JTF sales reps. If you don't know the table name properly in Oracle applications, there is one data dictionary table is available. All the tables are available here. See, that is FND tables. FND means here foundation, where table name like, let's say OE order headers all. Okay, if you remember partially, get like this. See, your OE order headers all is stored into FND tables. Your OE order holds all, line history, all the tables are available in this FND tables only. But we require now sales representative, correct? That is JTF sales reps. This is the table. JTF RS sales reps. This is the table. Now, is there any join between these two? Like application ID, table ID? I'm sorry, like we have to check in this table. So there is a sales rep ID, primary key column, correct? So the sales rep ID, we have to check into this particular table here. Check, is there any sales rep ID here? First, we have to single click here so that it will arrange in a sorting order. Single click. Now just check sales rep ID. It's available, right? Sales rep ID is the common column between these two. Now we can combine these two tables. OHA also we can take. JTF RS sales reps. JRS. Forget about all these conditions, I don't require. Where order number is equivalent to your sales order. You'll be able to tell me the join between these two tables. Sales rep ID. Name, I'm not sure. I need to check. Yeah, straight away name is there. Name. Control enter. You will see a name here. And order number. So for this particular sales order, the sales representative is this Johnson. Got it? Okay. Just two tables here. OE order header shell, another one is JTF RS sales reps. So based on the need, you need to remember the tables here. Shift Control F for formatting. You select the code here completely. Then Shift Control F for formatting. Okay. You take this query and paste it over here. How to derive a sales representative? What is the table and all? I told you already. All questions are very important. That's why I'm focusing now on it. Okay. Now link between customer and sales order. I think we have seen this, right, already. Customer and sales order. So this is the customer and this is the order number. How we can derive? Both are stored in different tables. So first, to identify the tables behind this, what you have to do? Go to help, record history, Copy this. Same story for every form. F4. Then we have to go to script here. Expand this. You are looking customer number, right? Customers. Just keep the cursor in the starting point. Customer number. It is there here. To see the next value, what we have to press? What is the keyword? F3, F3. So this is the cust account dot account number is customer number. Take this. So I'm just preparing query now. This is a select clause it is. Select. Okay. From clause is also required. We need to copy the cust account table alias. It's a table alias actually. But what is the actual table? Cust account. You need to verify here. And just check and tell me the line here so that I can go through. Go slowly, no worries. This is the first time, right? Next time you can type directly also. ఎంతసేపు చూస్తున్నారు చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా table alias cust account where you can see this is a table alias 1 2 3 line number 383 take this okay and we require order number as well order number F3 order number is stored into other table here h dot order number then h stands for what it is go to from class again same way h where it is just focus on right hand side only 385 yes take this just copy paste only you are struggling where so is there any straight join between cust account and then h straight join means join between these two tables there will not be a straight join intermediary another table is involved here so just check h and cust account you have to see h it is and then cust account okay straight join is there no worries then take this now we require a party name is also we need to derive that is edged parties you can see control F customer name F3 it's not there so check party name is a customer name here so party name is party dot party name forget about this alias column alias it is copy now party table additionally we have to add in this go to from class here you can see somewhere this is the table here okay take this initially it will be difficult for you to copy paste all this by seeing line by line now join between edged cust accounts I mean to say cust account and party cust account and party just verify here cust account and party This is the one, correct? Copy this along with that condition or outer join. If you want outer join also, you can copy. That's it. Your query is ready. Copy this, paste over here. See, it is not in a proper format. So Shift Control F. You first select this, then and paste it, and do a formatting like this. See, if you format here, see it is giving some issue. See, wherever it is highlighted means there it went wrong. Right now it is highlighted on a H. So what could be the error? Can you guess? Sorry, view. No, it's view is it's showing. See, showing. I mean to say you need to use underscore all right. Just check again. Still it will give error. Shift Control F. It is highlighting means it is there is a comma is missed. That's it. Nothing much. Shift Control F. Now it is properly formatted. This is the way your query is giving now. And if you want to restrict it for a particular sales order, you just go to order number equivalent to this. So for your sales order number, the party name is AT&T Universal Coordinators. Okay, and account number is a customer number only. Just take this account number. Yeah, it's already taken, right? All the three fields are there. You understood? So how many tables we have used here? 3 tables, right? What are they? I am asking tables, you are saying column names. SZ parties, SZ cost accounts, headers all. What are the joins between them? Party ID, correct. And one more? Right, correct. Whenever you are copying and pasting also, you need to remember the columns here. See, this is a sold to ARC ID. Clear? Copy this query. Link between customer and sales are also over. Next is till what point of time you can cancel a sales order. So let's cancel the sales order, this sales order. Right now we are at which stage? Still at first stage only. Entered. Definitely will allow you to cancel. Why are you canceling this? Some administrative reason. It is saying here cancellation completed. Please requery. Requery means take this F11 and enter the sales order. Control F11 is called as a requery. So it is cancelled. So at the first stage, we can cancel in this step. I mean to say here, order entry level, we can easily cancel the sales order. Let's see the booking sales order. We cannot do this because it's cancelled, right? Without closing, you can use this. Or else control down arrow also we can use. Control down arrow. Okay. These are all the shortcuts we have to remember. Save. Going to. I'll open again. Actually, I missed earlier to enter item. That's why it has given error. So order has been booked here, but still try to cancel this. You can choose any reason, no reason provided. Successfully. Cancellation completed successfully. Then take this F11. It is cancelled. So that means at order entry level and order booking level, we can easily cancel the sales order. Next is pick release. Let's do that. I'm creating a new sales order. This is a navigation for pick release, and based on rule is standard and order number. This is not very much mandatory, but make it yes. Then execute now. Forget about warnings and go to sales order now. Try to cancel this. Pick release is over. Okay. Try to cancel this. Let's see what is the issue will come or whether it is allowed. It is saying here error. Can you read this message? This error you will get. Now tell me what is the answer for this. Till what point of time? No, till what stage we can write? Okay. Let me reframe this query. Our stage. Answer. Order. Till pick release, right? Till pick release. Sakam చెప్తున్నారు మీరు అదే ప్రాబ్లం. Okay. Now next question we'll add here is back order. Okay. So back order we'll discuss. Then later we'll see the 8th question. So back order means if you don't have a sufficient quantity available, then it will become a back order. Usually quantity we can check in inventory. Then there is a on-hand availability, on-hand quantity. Okay. And the warehouse is M1. Item here is laptop. Fine. So your quantity is how much it is right now. Total quantity is 559, but we already entered some sales orders and it is reserved. So now if you enter the sales order with some 300 lines, then definitely it will become a back order because we don't have a sufficient stock. So this information is stored into a table. MTL on-hand quantities. Where inventory item ID is required. Item information is stored in MTL system items B. Where your item number is segment 1. laptop. This is a inventory item ID. There is a column here, transaction quantity. This is a column here. Okay. Sum of transaction quantity. Because we had multiple lines here, correct? This is the quantity. Okay. 565 quantity. If you verify from application also, 559 is the same item. Maybe it is for different operating unit. Anyway, this is the, or else what we'll do, we'll add some more quantity here. I'm trying to add 500 quantity more. Let's see whether it is reflects or not. Okay. To add a quantity, we can go to transactions, miscellaneous transaction, miscellaneous receipt here, then transaction lines, your item. You better take your own item. Okay. Do not use all. Everyone no need to use this laptop item. Okay. And then stores. Quantity, I'm trying to add 500 quantity. Your account, the department is right now inventory. Just check. This is a vision operations inventory I'm taking. An account, miscellaneous. Yeah. Just go through it. Usually it will be auto populated, but someone has changed the setting here. Miscellaneous. This is the one. This is a miscellaneous account. It is. Okay. Save. Now verify in the backend. 500 I've already added. Now I'm trying to execute whether it is reflected or not. We have to check. It's reflected, correct? Now, if you enter a sales order with 1200 quantity, then definitely it will become a back order, right? Let's see that in the sales order. Other returns, then sales orders. Save. Quantity, I'm giving 1200 quantity. Let's see what will happen. And here itself, we can check availability. So this availability is coming from this particular table only. MTL on hand quantities only. Okay. Now, at the line items, it will be as usually after booking, awaiting shipping only. So it is still giving a hint saying that here quantity on hand fails to satisfy reservation and order, still order has been booked here. Then we want to save, yes. Go to line items, awaiting shipping only. Once you do a quick release, then it will become a back order. Yes. Go to quick release navigation, shipping, release sales order, and then release sales order. Execute now. Check the status of these programs. We'll stop at this point. And another pending question is there that we'll see next time. Okay. So 7 questions only we discussed today. These are all important. There are some more we'll discuss for invoice, receipts, GL, other points. So we have these many questions actually. All scenario based, practical oriented questions. See, some questions we have not discussed. Authorship, correct? And this we are about to discuss, but we don't have time. And this is also not discussed, correct? What is the purpose of workflow background process? How to submit a workflow background process from backend? These are all there, okay? Overall, how many questions are there for only O2C? For only O2C, there are around 30 questions are there. If you learn all the 30 questions, then it will be easy for you. Some answers I prepared. Yeah, not only 23 guys. 44 questions are there overall. Oh my God, it's increasing. Okay, hardly 50, 60 questions are there. I'll prepare today if I get a time. Okay. Now let's see that point. Back order we are about to see. Check the pick slip report. Some quantity is already available. That's why it is picked. Quantity requested. And the delivery number, it is given everything. And back order information, we can go and check into sales order, inquiry screen only, order returns, and then sales orders. Go to line items, actions, additional line information, delivery step. Now you can see here, see, back order. So the only reason is here is due to insufficient quantity. This is the one reason, but there are other reasons also available, like if warehouse in the warehouse period is not open, like month and year. There are other 4-5 reasons are there. If you want to query in Google also, you can query. I showed you only one important reason, but other reasons also available. Back order reason. So can get all states. There are 11 reasons to get a back order. We'll verify another. Yes. Reasons for a sales order to get a back order. Okay, this we can verify. So these many reasons are. If order is on hold, also it will become a back order. Okay. And then inventory period, I told you just before. Not enough on-hand quantity. This we have seen practically. No enough quantity to reserve. These are also same only. Just they framed as a different line. And there are other lot control, serial controls are there. And cycle count. These are all will come in the inventory. Cycle count adjustments and all are manually back ordered. Move order is pending status. So don't get confused with all these points. So this is enough for time being. Okay, and this is important. So that's it for today, guys. Today we have seen very, very important questions. So this, if you want, I'll share all this. So what should I write here? In which case we'll get a back order due to sufficient quantity will get. Do you remember other reasons? Period means month and year, not open in inventory module. If you want to see that navigation, I'll show you. Go to inventory. Then accounting close cycle, inventory accounting periods. M1. Yeah, this month must be open here. See, if July month is not open here, if it is closed, then your system will not allow you to enter any record. It is just a month-year it is. Okay. So right now it is open only, that's why it is allowing. So these three. These two you can, or one more is also hold, right? Hold, where can you keep? Your sales order, we can keep into hold. Three reasons I am giving here. So instead of querying, this is better for me. Save. See, hold option I am showing here. Actions. There is an option here, that is, earlier we have seen cancel. Now it is apply holds. So hold name, reason, everything you can go over here. If sales order suddenly kept on hold also, it will become a back order. Sales order on hold. These three reasons more than enough to answer for this question. I'll keep notes here itself. Class number 11, is it? Our class? Previous class? 10 or 11? I believe 11. Order to cash cycle, part 3, is it for you? Part 2 over, it seems. I am asking like previous batch. Part 2 or part 3? Okay. Yeah, that is current batch. This is a second class only for new batch. We'll combine slowly. Okay, guys, class completed. If you want, you can leave. Okay. By mistake, you cancel the order. Yeah, we can update it through API. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that.